You know what they say about first impressions. First impressions matter, whether in our personal lives or the business world. Imagine hosting a potential client, partner, or new team member. You want them to be impressed by the people they meet and the environment they'll be working in. Maintaining a consistently tidy office can be challenging. Relying on your existing staff to handle cleaning might be inefficient, and hiring a full-time cleaner could strain your budget. This is where a day porter service from Terran Spic and Span cleaning service comes in. A day porter takes care of various tasks, including general tidying up, cleaning kitchens and break areas, trash disposal, restocking restrooms, cleaning meeting rooms, disinfecting surfaces, and handling other special requests from property management. Improved productivity. Research indicates that maintaining a clean and healthy workplace can contribute to enhancing workforce productivity. Health and safety. A clean and safe workplace often plays a key role in enhancing productivity and nurturing a positive relationship between employees and management, thereby boosting morale. Preventative maintenance. Day porters are versatile. They not only keep things clean but also handle various office tasks. They can identify equipment issues early, ensuring timely maintenance and preventing disruptions. Security. Day porters can play a supportive role in office security through their regular presence, staying alert to potential concerns and promptly informing management. Positive impressions. First impressions count, especially for guests, clients, and partners. A clean and impressive office space leaves a lasting positive impression that reflects well on your business. So, whether it's enhancing productivity, ensuring a safe workplace, maintaining equipment, enhancing security, or leaving a great impression, a day porter cleaning service can make your life easier while elevating your business to the next level. Ready to have Terran Spic and Span bring day porter services to your business? Take the first step towards a cleaner, more organized space now. Click below to get started.